If you want to know how to fix a Snapchat not opening problem, you've come to the right place. So as you can see, I can easily use Snapchat. Everything is working as for me. So I successfully fixed this problem. So how can you do the same? The first thing I'm going to recommend you is that you need to check your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection, because it could be like #1 reason why can't you open Snapchat. The other way of how can we try to fix this problem is that we need to go to App Store and then just click on search in the right bottom corner and click for search for Snapchat. Basically on the mobile it may look a little bit different if you are using Android, for example. And from this page here, make sure that you have the latest version. So if you have the upgrade or update button, please click on it and then just upgrade Snapchat to the latest version. Then we need to click on settings and then scroll down to find all apps we have, and here click on Snapchat. And make sure that background app refresh feature is turned on. So after that, you'll be able to try to open Snapchat. And the last way of how can we fix it is that we need to go to general right up here and then click on iPhone storage. On the Android, it may look a little bit different. So make sure that you'll find your storage folder. So in a few seconds, all the data will be calculated and we need to open the Snapchat storage settings inside of the app. And it may take a little time, maybe 10 seconds or a little bit more if you have a lot of data inside. But we need to find Snapchat right up here and then just click on it. And as you can see, now we have documents and data 274 megabytes. So click on upload app from this page here. And after that, this data will be deleted. And we need to click on re-upload app after that. And the data will be restored. So after that, we'll be able to open our Snapchat and your problem will be automatically solved. So this is a way of how can we fix a Snapchat not opening problem. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.